Hi, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. I want to go ahead and share this week and next week's module with you. So the reason why this is 2 weeks is because this is finishing your FBA. So I'm going to give you all of this week. You also will have all of spring break to finish your FBA. I know originally we were going to have it due before spring break, but I'm going to go ahead and give you throughout that. And then we'll figure out if we need additional time. So let me share my screen and we will get started. All right, friends. So if you go over here to course content and go down to week 9, you have analyzing your ABC data. And the functions of behavior, which is what you will primarily be doing this week. As I mentioned to you in my email yesterday, there is no small task this week. There is no additional work to do this week. Really just get your FBA finished. So this week, we're going to really look at the research-based strategies for appropriate behavioral and social skills. You're going to organize your ABC data. It says put it in a Google form. I'm going to take that out. You don't need to do that part. If you would like to help you analyze it better, you're welcome to, but this is not a requirement, which I'm sure most of you will be very happy about. You're going to use the data to understand your behavior. You're going to identify areas that you need to complete. Identify the function of the behavior. You're going to complete the FAST, the PBQ, and the QABF. You'll write your hypothesis and then understand the difference between analysis and description, which is really important for this. So if you go back here, you will notice that you have 2 parts to this week. So you have the function of behavior and then the final wrapping up your FBA, which goes into your FAST and all of that. So let me show you, the first part is pretty easy. You just have a Nearpod here for you to do. The second part, though, is a bit more. So when you go into that, you also have 2 videos with Ethan's teacher here. You're going to need those for when you complete the FAST. Okay, so primarily what these videos are doing, they are interviewing Ethan's teacher. It's former students of mine that are doing it, so you will be watching them. And from that, you should be able to complete all of your QABF, the FAST, and the PBQ. So where are you going to find those? Well, if you go over here to your, go back to your course home. My computer is being obnoxiously slow today. And go to your Start Here module down to your key assessment, the part 1. So let me pull up this here. Oh, sorry, key assessment. Okay, so FBA part 1, you will notice here are your videos for your FBA, and you will see right here are the Ethan teacher videos. I also put them in the module for you as well. But if I go back, of course, it's not going to do what I wanted to, sorry. You're in your FBA notebook, you will have the forms. Now you have to actually print these out and fill them out. It's not like a direct link like you had in your, for the other pieces. So these you do have to print out because they are documents. So again, they are linked in your notebook. So if I open up my notebook, I will show you where they are. Takes a second, sorry. As I mentioned, my computer's being really slow today. I don't really understand why. It's been quite the Monday around my house. So I'm going to go to my introduction page, and you will see here that you have your analysis of function. If you go to your functional analysis screening, this is where the functional analysis screening measures. So you have all of them right here. When you open it up again, please go ahead and print this out because you're going to go ahead and fill this out. I would have these printed out before you do that module because I actually walk you through how to do each of these forms. Do not fill them out right here. Please, please, please. I know this shows that it's been filled out. go ahead and just delete it and fill it out yourself, because you do need to fill out your own, and the problem behavior questionnaire is here. So you are being considered the teacher here. So you're filling it out how you think that the teacher would fill it out. And after you do this, you have to do your analysis of your function. You're going to use that for the analysis of function section, which is back here. Okay, so with your analysis of function, you're really taking all of the data you've collected and putting it all together here. But I go through that in the Nearpod for this week. So really make sure that you go through that Nearpod really carefully. I will also, please, 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 at the bottom of all my emails, and I'll put a link in D2L for you this week as well. If you would like to meet with me sometime this week or early next week and talk about your FBA and where you are and what you've completed, please reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. I want to answer your questions. I want to be helpful to you. So please reach out and let me know if you need some help with this. That's the best way to get everything that you need. Okay, friends, have a great week. Have a great spring break. I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.